Can you go, buddy?
Step. Don't step into the crack. No, you're going the wrong way. You come this way.
What do you do?
There's a step right here, Bonnie. Stand up.
Does it touch the
Stand on
wall?
top of that rock and stay
Grab
put.
the wall.
Go to where he is.
I'm scared.
Okay, Papa Lilo. Does it grab the wall?
I can't.
Come here.
I can't.
Come here. Roderick, step on this rock. Step across. Step 1 foot across. 1 foot.
Mm-hmm.
Put a hand here. Lean up against this. Put a hand there. Put your left hand here. Lean out and put your left hand here. Lean out. Put your left hand here. There you go. Now give me your right hand.
This rock, move.
Step. Can you step across?
I can't.
Give me your hand. Okay, stand right there. Don't move. Put your hand on the wall. Hand. Step across to here. Step. Step, step, step. There you go. Step down. Brah. Hold on. Photo, Katie, get in.
And there's a detail.
Cheese. Cheese. Cheese, 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 cheese. Alright. Stay out of the cracks. Hey, stay up on top of rocks. The edges of rocks, those where snakes live, okay? If you can't see under it, then you don't put your feet there. Do you understand me? So step on the fuck!
Ayun. Shoo.
That's why you don't go in these places that hurt. That really goddamn hurt.
Are you okay, Dad?
Yeah, I'll survive. I'll have a bruise.
Kissing.
Paying attention to y'all, not paying attention to me. Everybody just be still for a minute, let me recover. Okay, see the stars a little bit. Stay on top of the rocks.
What are you doing?
Well, you can come over one at a time. Put the phone down, Brady. 2 hands. Always. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. You see that spot over there? That's where I want you to go. Keep your feet out of the cracks, always up on top of these rocks. And watch your head. Okay, you see the rocks in front of you? Step up on those. Braden, take his hand as he comes over. It's best to stand up on this stuff, trust me. There you go. There you go. Step down. Stand up. Put your foot out in front of you and step on that. It's just
You
like
go a little
balancing on a pebble, Bonnie.
No, a little lower. Go lower, Babu.
No, you don't put your feet down low. You put them where you can see everything. Until you visually inspect all around and know there's no snakes. You don't okay. Don't lose control of where you're going. Step. Right, Katie? Step. You're just walking. Step. And you see the sharp angles of the rock? That actually
Go
helps you
lower.
breathe. If you put your feet on the flat spots.
Okay, let's go. Easy peasy.
All right.
I'm heading back to the road. I see a shell.
A shell.
What is it?
A peanut shell. Somebody's been here with peanuts. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And take it nice and easy through here. Don't bunch up on me. Keep an eye around your feet. How far down there? Katie, what are we doing here? This is just taking us down into the wash. I don't think we want to go any further than this.
Okay.
We probably ought to go back the way we came.
You want to eat here or? Do I have a rest here?
Rest? No. Let's go back up top to rest.
There's a kid and a bear.
Go. Come to me now, Papa. Come here. Papa, follow me. Come to me, Jack.
Roger, stand up. Look at me.
Papa here.
Sure.
Got you.
Come
Stand over there.
Come on, easy.
All right. Stand right there. Step up on the rock your left hand is on. Get up there. Raiden, why don't you wait on your little brother here? Okay, go on. Roderick, see where I'm pointing? It's over there. Go on. Okay. This way. Come on.
Oh, I don't know how.
Same way we got in, go back out. Keep going. Put your left foot there.
I don't know.
Put your foot all the way up there. Foot. Foot. Now, step. up, step. You're going this way, Braden.
bố tổ chức cho hảo la. Tôi chỉ chắc cầm mà nào.
爸爸说不行。
Cái gì nào nhưng thân
Oh,
nhau.
you're just gonna stand right there. Stand. And go to Braden. Braden's reaching out a hand. Yep. Okay. Go on out to the trail, please. Bonnie, step up on that rock. Not there.
Cái gì
Over
nào
here.
chứ đi.
There you go. Stand up. Put your hand out. Put your hand on this rock and then swing a leg over.
Yeah, it's
There you
like
go.
our
You got a
home.
foothold right there. Swing your other leg over. Get your feet situated and step out onto the rock where I'm at. Ooh, bleeding?
Did you?
Yeah, maybe.
Gosh.
Yeah, I got some blood here.
Oh, poor. Didn't get it.
On my head?
Here.
Mhm.
You can see. Hiểu mà? Bà có dùng.
Right there.
Hiểu mà? Oh, poor nha.
Well, onward we go.
Hi. Hi. Bà bố.
The natural bridge sure is hidden.